Hi guys, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make just a quick tutorial to show you how to crochet the alpine stitch. The alpine stitch is a combination of single crochet rows and double crochet and front post treble crochet rows. To get started, you need to chain a odd number of chains. And now we are going to make one row of double crochets. So for this, go in your fourth chain from the hook and make one double crochet, and then one double crochet in each chain till the end. Now you are going to chain one. This doesn't count as a stitch. Turn your work and single crochet in each stitch across till the end. Now at the end of the row, chain 3, turn your work, and this counts as your first double crochet. Now yarn over twice, and we are going to make one treble crochet around the post 2 rows below, like so. So this is a front treble crochet worked 2 rows below. Now the next stitch is going to be a double crochet. So this is the first stitch, the one that we've made, and now we are going to double crochet in the next stitch. Now yarn over twice, and we are going to make our front post treble crochet 2 rows below. So in your double crochet row, double crochet in the next stitch. So this is the one you've made, double crochet in the next stitch, and repeat till the end of the row. So this one here is your last stitch. So you are going to have one double crochet, and now go ahead and chain 1, turn your work. This doesn't count as a stitch. Single crochet in each stitch across till the end of the row. Okay, now chain 3, turn your work, and we are going to work again our double crochet and front post treble crochet row. So make one double crochet in your next stitch. Now we are going to change a little bit, so yarn over twice and go 2 rows below to make your front post treble crochet, double crochet in the next stitch, this one here, treble crochet 2 rows below, so front post treble crochet, and this is going to be your repeat till the end of the row. Then the next row, it's going to be a single crochet row, and basically this is it. This pattern is a repeat of 4 rows. You can use this beautiful stitch to make blankets, cardigans, mittens, statement scarves. Thank you for joining me today and for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I see you soon with a new tutorial. Bye bye.